Sowing. The process of putting seeds into the soil for growing new plants is called sowing. Care should be taken at the time sowing. Seeds used for sowing should be of good quality, healthy and free from infections. Seeds must be sowed at the correct depth and right distance to avoid competition for sunlight, water and nutrients. Selection of healthy seeds. Take a beaker with some water. Put some gram seeds in it. After a few minutes it is seen that some seeds start to float on top and some remain settled on the bottom. Damaged or broken seeds are light, so float on the surface of water, whereas healthy seeds are heavier, hence settle down at the bottom. Methods of sowing. Broadcasting, spreading of seeds in the field by hands. It is a traditional method of sowing. Adding manure and fertilizers. Soil supplies necessary minerals and nutrients to the plant. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. Manure is organic material which consists of feces and urine of domestic livestock, with or without litter such as straw, hay, or bedding. Manure is not very rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash than synthetic fertilizers. Therefore, manure is applied in larger quantities. But it is rich in humus which improves water-holding capacity of the soil. Manure is classified into two types according to the biological material used. Compost and vermicomposting. Compost is the aerobically decomposed remnants of organic matter which is rich in nutrients. In the process of composting, farm wastes, materials like cow dung, domestic wastes, sewage wastes, etc., are decomposed in pits. Vermicomposting. It is the process which earthworms are added to hasten the process of decomposition of plant and animal refuse. Green manure. Plants like sun hemp, gar, etc., are grown and mulched by plowing them into soil. They help in enriching the soil with nitrogen and phosphorus. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemical compounds produced commercially in the factories. They are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Fertilizers can be organic, composed of organic matter, or inorganic, made of simple, inorganic chemicals or minerals. Look at comparative study between manure and fertilizer. Irrigation. Water is the necessary requirement for the proper growth and development of crops. The supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. The time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, soil to soil and season to season. Sources of irrigation. The sources of irrigation are wells, tube wells, rivers, ponds, lakes, dams and canals. Methods of irrigation. Traditional methods and modern methods. Traditional methods are moat, pulley system, chain pump, dhakli, rahat, lever system. Modern methods, sprinkler system and drip system.